Gopal families lived in a broken huts on the outskirts of Haripur's village, with Gopal's with his wives Sariyas and two kids, Chandas and Munnas. Their hut was so bad that rains, waters would drip through the roofs. Gopal did labor's work. Sometimes he got work, or sometimes he sat at home.
Don't come empty handed today. The kids are really hungry.
I'll try, Sarla. May God help me today. Father, should I go to school today or not? Masterji said if fees are not paid, they will remove my name. Just wait for a few more days, son. I'll pay your fees for sure soon.
Gopal leaves homes with just respites. He keeps hoping to find some work, but no one hires him in the village. Tired and disappointed, Gopal sits down at the village squares.
What is wrong, son? You look very worried. What to say, Baba? Struggling even to fill our stomachs. Even God has turned away.
The old man feels pity for Gopal and he gives him a box.
I have a magical thing. What's inside this box will taste so good to people that they will never forget it. Apply it on buns and see the magic. Here you go, son. But, Baba, what will I do with this? I have no cart, no shop. Sometimes you don't need a cart. Just cut it, son. Try it today. And remember, if you work from your heart, one day people will know your name.
The old man gives Gopal the box and leaves. Gopal brings it home when Sariya sees him without any groceries. She gets really angry.
Where is the ration?
Hey, forget that. Look at this. A Baba gave it to me, some butter.
Papa, butter comes in tiffins at school. It tastes amazing.
From tomorrow, we'll apply it on buns and sell it. If even one customer likes it, we'll find a way.
This little butter, what will it do?
Baba said, this butter will never finish.
What? Really? Then it's a miracle.
That night, Sarias makes many buns, and in the morning, Supal applies the butters and fills a basket to sell them.
Butter buns, fresh butter buns. Please give me one butter bun. Of course, son. Here you go. Tell me how it tastes. This tastes amazing.
First time, the smile lights up Gopal's face, a basket in and full of hot butter buns. His voice echoes in every street.
Butter bun. Eat once, come again and again.
Slowly, Gopal's butter buns becomes famous in the village.
Arey Gopal, did you make this yourself?
Grandma, Sarla made the buns and I applied the butter.
Grandma happily eats Gopal's butter buns even without teeth. She enjoys the soft bumps.
I couldn't taste anything without teeth. But today, after so long, I had something tasty.
Slowly, the crowds grow. Kids, women, elders, everyone started coming soon. Gopal basket gets empty. Gopal returns home with an empty basket. Sarlas wait at the doorsteps.
What happened? Did you sell anything?
Sold everything, Sarla. Everything. And look, here is 630 rupees.
1,000 thanks to God. After so long, we have money at home. So much too. Baba won! Baba won! He did it!
Wow! Baba won! Baba won! He did it!
That night, they all eat butters buns and butters rotis together.
Baba's magical butter is truly amazing. So tasty and it never finishes. Eat as much as you want.
I feel God Himself came to help us through Baba.
You are right, Sarla. Tomorrow I'll sell even more butter buns. Soon our days will be change.
Next morning, Sarlas wakes up at 8 p.m., makes lots of butter buns, fills two baskets, and then joins Gopal to sell the buns in the village.
Fresh butter buns! Eat once and keep eating!
By evening, Gopal's and Sarlas sell all the butter buns slowly. Gopal started getting orders from shops and schools too.
Gopal, we have a function tomorrow. Make 200 butter buns and bring them on time. Don't be late. Yes, Master Ji, don't worry. I'll bring them before time. Don't worry.
While Gopal talks to Master Ji, Ram Babu's the sweet sellers watches them and tells himself.
This laborer Gopal. Now he'll steal my business selling butter. I must do something.
Ram Babu's the biggest shopkeepers in the village decides to take revenge on Gopal.
Once he folded hands before me, and now he's becoming a hero by selling butter buns. Jaggu, oh Jaggu, from tomorrow we too will sell butter buns. We'll make them so tasty that people will forget Gopal's buns. But Master, Gopal's butter is something else. Kids say it's magical. Nonsense. No magic. Just tricks. Will give the real taste to people.
One side, Ram Babu's also started selling butter buns, and on the other side, Gopal buys cards and sells even more buns.
Baba, we are truly the butter bun family now.
Yes, daughter. One day we'll have our own shop too.
From tomorrow, I'll make the special sauce that mom taught me. It will make the buns even tastier.
And we'll sell tea too. Some will enjoy buns with tea, some with sauce. What do you say? This will work, huh?
Yes, with spicy chutney, and the taste will double.
Next day, while Gopal sells buns at the squares, there suddenly people started complaining.
This butter tastes weird. It smells really bad. Yes, something is wrong. Gopal, are you selling stale stuff today? How is that possible, brother? I made it fresh.
Both of them sniff the butter buns, and yes, it smells bad.
Oh God, but how is it possible? Baba, I saw Ram Babu's servant putting something in our baskets this morning. What?
All of Gopal's butter buns are ruined. Angry Gopal goes to Ram Babu's shops. Ram Babu's servants Jaggu scared confess everything.
Master said sprinkle some stinky stuff so people stop buying your buns. I only followed orders.
Shame! For your own profit, you stooped so low, Rambabu.
Ram Babu, shame on you. You harmed a poor laborer's hard work. Ram Babu, you must pay a fine and apologize to Gopal. Please forgive me, Gopal. I forgive you. But never stop a poor man's hard work again. Everyone has the right to earn.
Ram Babu feels deeply ashamed, and in shame he leaves from there. A month passes this way. Now Gopal's butter buns becomes the pride of the village. People even sends other orders to Gopal's house. But the story does not end here. One day a big car stopped in the village, and a rich man steps out of it.
Is there someone here who sells a butter bun? Look there! That's Gopal Kaka! Once you taste his butter, you want nothing else! Namaste. I'm from a company called Food India. We are searching for desi flavors in the city, and we heard a lot about your butter. My butter? Even in the city? Yes. A blogger came to the village, tasted your butter, and posted about it online. Now everyone wants to taste your butter buns.
And then Gopal Butter's buns start selling in the cities too. His life change completely. Later, Gopal started a noble's work. Every day he distributes free butters buns outside the temples for the poor. One day that same old babas stand far away watching Gopal feeds people and smiles happily.